Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified channel. Today we are going to learn how to write a simple Java program to multiply two matrices. So before we jump into coding, let's quickly understand the rules of matrix multiplication. So trust me, I will make the coding part much easier. So alright, here are some basic rules of the matrix multiplication. The rule 1 is the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. And if the size of first matrix is m by n and the size of the matrix B is n by p, then the result matrix C will have the size of m by p. And each element of the resulting matrix is calculated by multiplying elements from a row of the first matrix and a column of the second matrix and then adding them up. So let's start coding. Okay. So let's open Eclipse IDE and start creating one Java project. So just click. So I give the name matrix. Click on finish. Inside this matrix, create one class file. So just click on src, new, and create a class file. So I give matrix multiplication. Okay. And include public static void main. So the raw structure of the program is ready. Now we have to take input from the user. So I import java.util.scatter. Okay. Now inside this public static void main, you have to first take the number of rows and number of columns from the user. So for that, I first create an object of scanner class. Okay, system.in, because we have to take input from keyboard. Now print the message using system.out.println and write enter number of rows and column for matrix 1. Okay, and then store these values. So int row 1 equal to sc dot next int, and similarly we have to store the column. So I write int col1 equal to sc dot. Okay, and similarly we have to take input for the matrix 2 also. So I just do in the same way, matrix 2, then row 2 and column 2. Okay, now let's check that the matrix multiplication is possible or not possible. So for that, we have to check if column 1 is not equal to row 2. Okay, then you have to print matrix multiplication not possible. Okay, because we have to check the rules also and return. Okay, that I initialize a two-dimensional matrix int and name first matrix equal to new int, and in the size row 1 and size column 1. Okay, and similarly here I can write second matrix, okay, and row 2 column 2. Okay, put semicolons. Now I have to print the matrix 1 first, so I write system dot out dot println, enter matrix 1 elements. Okay, and we have to make a loop. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than row 1, then I plus plus, then for int j equal to 0, j is less than call 1 and j plus plus, and then first matrix I and j equal to sc dot next int. Okay, and in the similar way you can take the input from the second matrix also, initialize a result matrix. Okay, so I make it name result equal to new int row 1 and column 2. Okay, now make a loop. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than row 1 and I plus plus, then second loop for column for int j equal to 0, j is less than column 2 j plus plus, then int k equal to 0, k is less than column 1 and k plus plus. Okay, and then multiply and store the result. So result equal to first matrix I and k into second matrix k and I. Okay, let's print the result. So for that, make a loop. Int I equal to 0, I is less than row 1 and I plus plus. Then for int j equal to 0, j is less than column 2 and j plus plus. Okay, and now let's print the result. So for that I write system dot out dot print, and here I write result of I and j, and plus I put spaces. Okay, and next system dot out dot print ln. Okay, and then end the matrix. Now close the scanner class. So I write sc dot close. Okay, let's enter the number of rows and columns for matrix 1. So that's is 2 and 2. Next it's 2 and 3 for second. So first we have to enter elements of matrix 1. So I enter 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4 element, and for matrix 2 I enter 3, 4, 2, 1, 4 and 5. So now the product of the matrix is this. So that's how you can multiply two matrices in Java and correctly follow the rules also. So if you like this video, so subscribe to Tech Simplified channel and comment below what other Java programs you had like to see next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.